by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can create a scribble pattern in Photoshop and create a really interesting background design. Now, first thing to do, create the scribble, and I'm just going to use the pencil tool and I'm going to use a layer, so layer, new layer, click OK. So got a layer there, and then just create a quick scribble. Now I'm using a mouse, of course you can modify the colour as well, and you can vary the size of the pencil tool. I'm just going to go over here and you can just set it to say 7 and again change the colour, change the foreground. Now once you've actually quickly created that, you can then go background, remove, yep, and then use patterns. So I'm just going to quickly define that little area, that little scribble, as edit, define pattern, click OK. Now just get rid of all that, I don't want that now. What you can do then is go to edit and fill, select that pattern, use the script, random fill, and obviously depending on what you want to do, you've got colour and randomness, brightness, modify the density, etc. So you can just apply it like that. You can apply it once, you can apply it multiple times. I'm just going to quickly apply it again. Click OK, and again you can modify the scaling. Click OK, apply it again, so you can just create a far more intense. And then just fill again, click OK, click OK. Now once you've actually done that, then what you can do, you can go to filter and blur, Gaussian blur, so you can just create a sort of very blurred background using that scribble. So click OK. Now what you can do, you can also modify the colour if you wish. You don't have to keep the same colour, so you can just quickly modify just slightly. You don't have to, or use obviously the same colour, so you just go colorise, and so you can create a sort of single. Click OK. Now not going to do that. What I'm going to do next is actually apply it to fill again, and click OK. Now what you've got now is got a nice sort of light layering of blurred behind and pencil sketch on top. That's quite nice. And what you can do then, just to finish it all off, I quite like the old filter and then camera raw filter. And what you can do then, of course, is you can actually modify the colour very nicely, modify the exposure. Also, you can actually just go there to the radial and just apply it maybe in a little part there and modify the exposure. Right. So, okay. And there you have it. A nice sort of scribbled effect, sort of blurry texture pattern in Photoshop. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.